Today we will learn a dimensions and dimension style. I'll tell you the very basic just for starting. Later on we can explain it, or we can research it or whatever. Just select a rectangle, give the dimension, first one, second one. Now you are not, this text is not visible, so just to make a reading for your eyes, I'll change this by dimension style. Okay, I'll means you can change it in AutoCAD by dimension style. Go to the dimensions. Here you have a dimension style. Okay, go to modify. Just modify the few things. Dimension style, give the color, and this is the extension line, yellow color or red color. I'm making it very multicolor just for you and just to understand the okay symbol. Arrowheads, choose. Here you can choose the symbol. I'm using blank. Second one also using blank. Leader also blank. Leader, or you can use for radius and this. Text, okay, text here I want red color, and you want to fill color. No, see this fill color will look like this. None, we don't need. And the text height, I need a 20 text height. Okay, this feeds and primary units and alternate unit and tolerances not needed for now. Just learn this. Okay, and close. See, now arrow size is less as compared to this, so just again go to dimension style, modify. Where is my arrow and arrow size? I want again 10. Okay, see this, you want more, give it more. I want 20. There are a lot of things in dimension style. We can learn step by step as per needed, because if I explain in this one particular lecture, you will not understand, or you can got confused. Okay, I'm using this multicolor just for your understanding. Okay, leader, you can see the leader in circle like radius. See this. Okay, this is leader, and diameter. Understand? Now what was remaining, with that we can see the rotate command, move and copy. As the name suggests, move means you can move the object. Go to the move, select object, enter, specify the base point. This is your base point, and move the object. You can move wherever you want. Okay, this is move. Now copy, go to the copy, select object, enter, specify the base point. This is base point, and you can just copy the objects. Okay, now rotate. Go to the rotate, select object, enter, specify the base point, and give the rotation angle. If you are going this 30, whatever angle you want. Okay, you can follow the polar, and I'll tell you how to put a exact angle in AutoCAD. Just practice these for now. Thank you for watching.